This is a brand new 2014 BMW X3. This crossover has an 8-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include BMW Assist, a sunroof, high-intensity headlights, 12 strategically positioned speakers, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, 8-way power adjustable seats, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, BMW individual composition, front multi-stage airbags, air conditioning, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.